Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion T7 34IS10 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. From the moment the system boots into Windows 11 Pro, everything feels responsive and deliberate. Startup is quick, applications open without hesitation, and the desktop never feels cluttered or sluggish. This is the kind of performance that doesn't just look good in numbers, but actually improves how you work and play every day. You're not waiting on the machine, and you're not adjusting your habits around its limitations. It adapts to you instead. The Intel Core Ultra 7 265KF processor is a major reason for that experience. In real-world use, it feels exceptionally capable across a wide range of tasks. In gaming, frame delivery is smooth and predictable, even in CPU-heavy titles that tend to expose weaknesses in lesser systems. Long sessions don't lead to stutters or performance drops, which speaks to how well the processor and system tuning work together. Outside of gaming, productivity tasks feel just as strong. Multitasking, content creation, heavy browser use, and professional workloads all run fluidly, with no sense that the system is being pushed to its limits. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 takes this machine firmly into high-end territory. In actual gameplay, the performance is excellent, not just in raw frame rates, but in how consistent and stable those frames are delivered. High-resolution gaming feels natural here, with visual settings turned up and ray tracing enabled without turning performance into a compromise. Modern games look sharp, detailed, and immersive, and the GPU handles demanding scenes with confidence. This isn't a setup where you're constantly tweaking settings to stay playable. You can simply enjoy the experience as intended. The 32 gigabytes of memory plays an important supporting role in making everything feel effortless. There's plenty of headroom for gaming, streaming, recording, background applications, and creative software running at the same time. You don't feel the system slowing down as tasks pile up. Instead, everything remains responsive, which makes the Legion T7 feel like a machine built not just for gaming sessions, but for real-world usage, where people do more than one thing at a time. Storage performance also contributes significantly to the overall experience. The 1TB SSD keeps load times short and file transfers fast. Games load quickly, large applications launch without delay, and system updates don't feel intrusive. While 1TB may not be massive for users with enormous game libraries, the speed and reliability of the storage make daily use feel smooth and frustration-free, and the system's tower form factor makes future upgrades straightforward if you need more space later on. Thermals and stability are areas where the Legion T7 quietly excels. During long gaming sessions and sustained workloads, the system maintains performance without overheating or throttling. Fan noise remains controlled, and while you can hear the system working under load, it never becomes distracting or aggressive. This balance between cooling effectiveness and acoustic comfort makes the desktop pleasant to use for extended periods, whether you're gaming late at night or working during the day. The physical design of the Legion T7 reinforces its practical, performance-focused identity. The tower chassis feels solid and well-built, with a refined structure that doesn't feel flimsy or overly flashy. The RGB lighting is present but tasteful, adding a bit of personality without turning the system into a visual distraction. It feels like a machine designed for serious users who appreciate clean aesthetics and functional design rather than excessive flair. Connectivity and everyday usability are handled well. Bluetooth works reliably and efficiently, making it easy to connect peripherals without cluttering your desk with cables. Ports feel thoughtfully placed, and the overall layout makes the system easy to live with. Nothing feels awkward or inconvenient, which is something you really notice over time. Windows 11 Pro fits naturally into this setup, especially for users who balance gaming with productivity or professional work. The operating system feels smooth on this hardware, and features designed for multitasking and creative workflows actually feel useful rather than forced. The system as a whole feels cohesive, as if the hardware and software were meant to work together rather than simply bundled. After spending real time with the Lenovo Legion T7, what leaves the strongest impression is reliability. It doesn't crash, it doesn't slow down unexpectedly, and it doesn't feel fragile. This is a desktop you can trust to perform consistently day after day. It's powerful without being temperamental, refined without being boring, and capable without demanding constant attention.